Hi, in this video we are going to see that how do we solve this question without using calculators. Let us start. So the very first step, as you can see over here, we can write it down each and every number as, like 21 will be written as 20 plus 1, then 20 plus 2, 20 will be written as it is, as you can see, and then 23 will be written as 20 plus 3 plus 1. Now the very next step after this will be, we will assume x is equal to 20. Now there's a reason behind that, you will understand very soon. So if I put x as 20 or if I put 20 as x in this, then I will write it down as x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 plus 1. Now here there is one trick which you have to remember, that we are going to club, like ultimately we need to multiply all these 4 brackets, but we will not do it directly. Rather we are going to club the first and the last term and the middle 2 terms. You will understand in subsequent steps that why we are doing that. So let us multiply first and the last term. It will give me x times x is x square plus 3x. While if I go with the multiplication of those 2 terms, I will get x square plus 2x plus 1x, that is 3x, plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 as it is. Now there is very interesting observation over here, which is I am getting x square plus 3x once again. Okay, so my next step will be, I will assume x square plus 3x is equal to t. Now this will be replaced by t, so I will be getting t times t plus 2 plus 1, and when I will solve it, it will be t square plus 2t plus 1. Now interestingly, t square plus 2t plus 1 is a perfect square of t plus 1. So in the very next step, I can write it down as t plus 1 whole square. Okay. T plus 1 whole square rooted, so ultimately it will be t plus 1 only, the leftover term. Now we'll go back and we'll see that we had assumed x square plus 3x as t. It is time to put it back. So I will write x square plus 3x plus 1. We are getting this. Now ultimately what we are trying to do, we are trying to find the value of this function. Okay, we have got x square plus 3x plus 1 as the final expression, in which if I will put this value of x, which I had assumed initially, after solving I can very easily get that value. So I know that the value of x is 20, that was substituted earlier, so it is time to resubstitute it. So I will put x as 20 in this expression, and after that I will get 20 square plus 3 times 20 plus 1. 20 square is 400, 60 and 1, so my answer is 461. So like this, by showing all the steps, we can very easily solve these type of questions. These type of questions have high chances to be asked in any competitive exam, whichever you are preparing. So just try to understand the trick. If you want, you can watch this video one more time to understand it better. So I hope that you are clear with it after watching it. Thank you.